Today I am reviewing the ASUS ROG G700 gaming desktop. If at any time you'd like to explore this gaming desktop for yourself, be sure to check the link in the description. If you're looking to upgrade your gaming experience in 2025, then say hello to a machine that's been engineered to dominate. The ASUS ROG G700 gaming desktop. Whether you're chasing high FPS, smooth multitasking, or just want a rig that looks as powerful as it performs, the G700 is here to impress on all fronts. Let's start with the core of this powerhouse. At the heart of the ASUS G700 is the Intel Core Ultra 7 265F processor, a next-gen chip built to deliver elite multitasking performance and exceptional energy efficiency. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or handling creative workloads like video editing or 3D rendering, this CPU doesn't stutter. Paired with 16 gigabytes of blazing fast DDR5 RAM, multitasking becomes effortless. You can switch between apps, stream your gameplay, and keep dozens of browser tabs open without ever slowing down. Now let's talk graphics, and this is where the G700 really shines. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 GPU is a beast in its own right, offering ray tracing support, DLSS 3.0, and ample VRAM. This card ensures ultra-smooth performance at 1080p and very respectable numbers at 1440p. You can expect to run demanding titles like Cyberpunk 2077, Baldur's Gate 3, and Call of Duty Warzone with settings cranked up and frame rates that stay high and consistent. Even modern AAA games in 2025 are handled like a breeze. On the storage front, the G700 features a 1TB M.2 NVMe PCIe 4.0 SSD. Translation: lightning-fast boot times, near-instant application loading, and tons of space for your growing library of games, media, and projects. Everything runs with the kind of smoothness that you won't believe until you experience it yourself. Design-wise, the ASUS ROG G700 brings the brand's iconic aesthetic into the future. It sports a dual-glass chassis, fully equipped with ROG/design accents and customizable Aura Sync RGB lighting. The massive 58-liter case supports triple-slot GPUs, giving you room to upgrade and expand. It's not just a showpiece, it's built with purpose. And with tool-less access, future upgrades are fast and frustration-free. Of course, performance means nothing without cooling. Fortunately, ASUS thought of that too. The G700 includes a quad-fan cooling system, intelligently designed to maximize airflow while keeping noise levels low. With dust filters and a well-ventilated chassis, your components stay cool, clean, and efficient even under heavy load. Connectivity on this machine is top tier. You get Wi-Fi 6 for blazing wireless speeds, 2.5 gigabit Ethernet for lag-free online gaming, and a rich selection of ports for all your peripherals, displays, and accessories. And when it comes to sound, the G700 features Dolby Atmos audio and AI-powered noise cancellation, perfect for immersive gameplay and crystal-clear communication during online matches or team calls. And for those of you who just want a plug-and-play experience, ASUS includes an RGB backlit gaming keyboard and mouse right in the box. No need to shop around or worry about compatibility. It's all ready to go out of the gate. To sum it all up, the ASUS ROG G700 2025 is not just another gaming desktop. It's a future-proof, style-forward, high-performance machine built for gamers who demand the best. From its cutting-edge CPU and GPU combo, to its intelligent design and cooling, to its out-of-the-box readiness, this desktop stands out in every way. Whether you're a competitive gamer, a content creator, or someone upgrading from an older system, the ROG G700 delivers a premium experience across the board. If you're serious about gaming in 2025, this machine should be at the top of your wish list.